Hello and welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Virginie and today I'm going to be doing like an ombre translucent violet design. So I already prepped the nail. I removed the surface shine, I pushed back the cuticle, I reduced the length of the free edge, and now I'm gonna apply the nail prep dehydrator and the acid-based primer. For this design, I'm gonna work with the medium speed acrylic liquid and crystal clear powder, and also the Nightshade color from the Urban Graffiti gel polish. I'm gonna drop a few of this product in my liquid, and now with a spatula, I'm gonna mix them together. And as you can see, it's changed color of my liquid. Now I have my two liquids, the one with the gel and the one with nothing on it. As you can see, when I'm dipping my brush into the liquid, then into the powder, it gives a nice, really nice translucent violet shade. So I'm placing my first bead between the nail and the nail foam, and I'm going to create my free edge. Now I'll go back with the liquid without the color, and I'm gonna pick a small bead of cotton candy, place near the cuticle, and dry the product. I'm gonna add a very wet tiny beads. And now I'm going to encapsulate the whole thing. So you can do with clear acrylic and the medium speed liquid, or we can do as well with the liquid that we made, and I'm gonna do it this one. Pick up a big bead, place and drag the product down. And now I'm gonna work on my other finger. So the same, first of all, the first bead will be with the clear liquid. And now I'm going to use some glitter. I'm gonna place a small bead of cotton candy. And with the clear, I'm gonna add some more glitter. Don't forget to pinch the ring finger. and let it dry before we pinch. I do my side wall first with the 120 grit file, then the free edge, and I'm using 180 grit for the cuticle area. Now I'm going to apply the Lilac Breeze on my pinky. And Amethyst Fall on the index and thumbnails. And cure for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to apply my second coat. Back into the lamp for 30 seconds. To create a fade effect, I'm going to put some Lilac Breeze on my palette. And I'm gonna fade into the color and put it in a lamp for 10 seconds. Go back with my first shade, Amethyst Fall. And before curing, I'm gonna add a tiny amount of Nightshade. It is a color that we use for our liquid. And cure for 10 seconds. I'm gonna add a tiny amount of Midas Touch. And cure for 10 seconds. If you want to fill the gap between the cuticle and the glitter, because I thought it was too big, I fill this gap with some gel color, and I'm using Flamingo Fizz. I'm going to cure for 10 seconds. And we're going to cure 60 seconds. And to finish, I'm going to apply some pineapple cuticle oil. Here is the finished design. I hope you like it. All the product used are in the description box down below. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, au revoir!